Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Adhyay's Interactive and Fun Learning. So I'm happy to say Census interactive panels are the #1 interactive panels in India right now, which is used for business, for institutes, for colleges, schools and for personal use as well. So let me introduce you to this Census Intelligent Interactive panel, which is integrated up with 4 elements, audio video system, touch and CPU. So let me introduce you to the software Sense Board. Now, this software is the complete replacements of whiteboards and blackboards, and to write on this is also very easy. Now, they have provided an option here for insertion. Now if I open an image, one image for me will come like this on the board. Now here they are providing an option for zoom as well. You can also zoom in like this or zoom out or reset it to the size it was. Now they are also providing an option here for highlighter tool, as you can highlight any points as you want, or something you want to mark important, you can just mark in this way. Now you want to explain about banking, you can just write banking on this screen like this, and whatever questions you want, AI will tell it for you. Just go to AI here, many questions will come for you. You can choose any of the question. For example, what are the various type of loans offered by banks? You can go to that and you see your complete answer is here. They are also providing an option where it readouts the text for you.
Q. What are the various types of loans offered by banks? Banks offer different types.
They are also providing a feature where you can change the language into anything. They have 15 Indian languages and also 4 foreign languages. Now, as the canvas is filled with the content, you want to explain something immediately. 4-finger slide, you get your board and board option. You can use it as a rough page.